Hi everyone. Today again I'm going to read a book which supports synthetic phonics. So if you're learning phonics, then this book will be very easy to read. Okay, so let's read it together. So the name of the book is Where's Rusty? This is illustrated by Stephen Cartwright. I have read many books of Stephen Cartwright and the images which he creates are beautiful. Kids just love it. So let's read. In this book, there's one more surprise. There's this little duck on every page. So you can pause the video and find out this little duck. Okay. The book is written by Heather Amory and illustrated by Stephen Cartwright, and it is edited by Jenny Tyler. So it's about this dog called Rusty, and he lives at the apple tree farm. This is Poppy and Sam. They are looking for Rusty, their dog. Is Rusty in there? Look, my bear! Okay, so the bear is here and we have a small hen and it's saying cluck, cluck, cluck. Poppy and Sam look around the farm for Rusty. I can't see him. Rusty, where are you? Is he inside the drum? Let's find out. Oh, croak, croak. So we have some frogs here. Rusty is not here. Poppy and Sam go to look in the shed. I can hear something. Let's look inside. Let's find out who is inside. Oh, it's their mom. What are you two doing? Poppy and Sam stop by the tent. It's moving. Open the flap. No, you open it. Let's find out. Oh, moo. So we have a cow. Ted is working on the tractor. Ted, have you seen Rusty? We can't find him. Have a look inside. Poppy and Sam can't find Rusty anywhere. Perhaps he's in the trailer. Let's look behind the sacks. Squeak, squeak. Grunt, grunt. Poppy and Sam go into the kitchen. What's that mess on the floor? Rusty's paw marks. Woof woof. Oh my mice, they have found Rusty. He was under the table. We have found Rusty. Naughty dog. So that's all for today. I'll meet you again tomorrow with a new read aloud. Bye bye.